Okay, you're looking at a 1994 Chevy Silverado short bed with beautiful 22-inch brand new wheels and tires. Beautiful truck, fresh paint job, and it's like glass. This thing is gorgeous. All the headlights, turn signal lights have been changed to LED. Everything has been upgraded, brand new wipers, tonneau cover. The truck is equipped with an Avatar alarm with remote start. It has a Pioneer sound system with Pioneer speakers front and rear, and a Pioneer 12-inch subwoofer, and it sounds fantastic. If you're interested in this truck, you can call me 786-548-6645. Beautiful roll pan. It's already been dropped. It's got the C-notch on the frame. The interior is absolutely beautiful. It's got the red guts interior with all billet.
Jillian Michaels, you know her from The Biggest Loser. Now she's got her show on.
If you notice,
Hi Jill, how are you?
The doors are in excellent condition.
Good, thanks. So we put a microphone on the floor, and I'm going to do the interview in full plank for the whole interview.
Notice the billet steering wheel.
I'm going to go on as long as I possibly.
Visit Publix.com/Viva Italia.
Let's put on a nice song here so you can hear the stereo system. Sounds fantastic. The truck has about 122,000 miles. All the gauges work. The shifter is billet. The tilt is billet. And if you look, everything is absolutely gorgeous. It has LED lighting.
Because they accept most insurance plans and offer affordable new patient specials.
The seat is mint. The floors are mint. With the vinyl cover on the floors. This is an absolute gorgeous truck. If you're interested, call me 786-548-6645.